An alarm started going off, and the email said that there was a water issue.
That was yesterday as students and staff at the University of Kansas Medical Center were told to leave. Today they're being asked to stay away from the medical school buildings affected by that water issue if possible.
They've been told not to drink or use the water in those areas. Fox 4's Reagan Porter learns more as the university investigates near 39th and Rainbow in KCK.
University of Kansas Medical Center says it's possible this water issue has been happening intermittently over the last 6 months.
I was a little surprised. It's kind of concerning.
KU Med sent this email to students and staff saying not to drink or use the water. Leaders say they were told low levels of molybdenum were found at the 39th and Rainbow campus. They've been working with the Kansas Department of Environment to test drinking water in buildings. They found varying levels of molybdenum in sink water in some of the affected buildings, ranging from 0 to 3 milligrams per liter. KU Med says it stems from backflow issues with the closed loop cooling water system. They say while the backflow valve was rebuilt and recertified Thursday, it's possible the issue has been occurring intermittently over the last 6 months. KU Med says Kansas Poison Control believes it's unlikely to cause health problems in the average person. On Thursday, the university closed several medical center buildings. KU Med said people in affected buildings have been asked to work and study from home. Medical student Sierra Cars had a test Friday in the library. She carried around a water bottle filled up from home.
It's surprising. I was kind of worried that something like that was happening just because the dramatic response in the email, like evacuate.
The National Institutes of Health says molybdenum is naturally present in many foods. It's also available as a dietary supplement.
We got like alerts and stuff and then an email clarifying that the hospital buildings were all safe. It was, I think, just like the educational buildings.
KU Health Systems tells us a few outpatient clinics like radiation therapy are impacted. However, patient care is business as usual. A spokesperson with the health system said employees and patients are being given bottled water to drink and hand washing stations have been set up. The medical center plans to flush the water from affected buildings, then do additional testing. Reagan Porter, Fox 4, working for you.
The state health department confirms it's been in contact with the medical school and its leadership. It calls the matter a backflow issue and says once analysis is complete, as Reagan just reported, the med center will flush the building's plumbing.